Welcome to the Interested and Interesting Person Project. Let's talk about finding short stories that will blow you away. Fiction! Short story! Raise your hand, even if you're sitting there alone. Has it ever felt like your teachers didn't care if you actually liked the short stories and fiction you were reading in class? I think they were trying to put me to sleep and maybe even kill me. Is that right? That might just well be true. I think sometimes my instructors just didn't give a... But if you're lucky, sometimes an instructor's going to ask you to find fiction that you absolutely love, and here's how to do it. First, you're going to want to visit your college's library homepage and visit their Academic Search Premier. You may be asked for some identifying information. You should provide it and move forward. When you get inside the EBSCOhost, click that advanced search link because that's where the action is. Scroll down until you see the document type area and select short story. Then click search. Good grief, we've found 35,457 short stories. But that's too many. I don't know what to do. It's very possible that your instructor has given you a list of the titles of journals that publish literary fiction. Consult that list and let's keep going on our search. Now, click the back button on your browser so we get back to the advanced search area. Make certain that the document type chosen is short story, but add one of the titles of a journal that your professor has offered you, and click search. And now we have narrowed down our list of great short stories to only 1,690. What a relief! Read the titles, click the PDF full text link, and read the first paragraph or two of a number of different stories until you find the story that interests you the most. Don't limit yourself to exploring just the stories in one journal. Return to the list of approved journals that your professor has given you and explore the stories in a variety of journals. Who knows, you might find something amazing there. The Interested and Interesting Person Project is brought to you by Chris Risley. That's me.